What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're climbing up Turnbull Canyon. Just three of us here. It's gonna be Martin leading the ride, my brother-in-law Jesse, trying to get him more acquainted to electric mountain biking, and we all have mid-drives today. Martin has a 750 watt BBSO2. Jesse, my brother-in-law, has my BBSHD, and I have a BBSO2 Lunicycle Wolf 52 volt battery. At one point, you're gonna master this climb up. You're in the right gear, and you have more experience now. And the main thing is when you're pedaling and throttling is push down, because you felt that your wheel goes up. Yeah, that's the main thing. It's not about speed, but it's about keeping your momentum, because everyone knows you don't want to stop at a incline, right? Yeah. I'll go first, and then you guys just take turns. You good, Martin?
Yeah, good.
All right, I'll go first. This entrance is not really for beginners. I'm not even really pedaling. Here we go. Easy peasy. So this is Jesse's second time. The first time I didn't do any record because I actually forgot my helmet. It's hilarious. But yeah, this is our ride today. Luna Wolf battery. Really recommend that battery. It's really punchy. 26 mag wheels. Only 750 watt BBSO2 with Luna settings and also illuminator that goes up to about, I think, 7,000 watt lumens. Really bright light. Last time we were here, we saw like 7 tarantulas. Let's see how many we can find today. Yeah, Jesse. Yeah, you could just throttle too. Yes, sir. Good work. You didn't get off at all, huh?
No.
Perfect. Yeah, that's like the hardest thing today, I think. Everything else, my bike fell. All right, Martin, let's go. Yes, sir. All right, here we go. We're gonna take the intermediate way on the single track, or should I say the proper way of going. There's a tarantula on the left. That one's on attack mode. All right, so that's one tarantula. Last week we spotted 7, so we will see today. This bike needs brake service. I think actually all of my mountain bikes need brake service. I just never really get to it. What I do is just neglect.
This way or that way?
You're going the right way. Yeah, so there's going to be a steep downhill, and it's a single track from here, Jesse.
Where's the opposite?
Yeah. Have fun. Go at your own pace.
Okay.
There's going to be one sharp turn, if you remember, and then one landslide. Whew. Oh, right in our face. Single track time. Let's get it. Yeah, my brother Jesse does pretty well. He's a road cyclist. He's actually one of the only few person that I know that wears spandex, so he's serious on that aspect. And last week we took him here and he did exceptionally well. Listened to all of our directions. There's a second tarantula there. Yeah, tarantula number 2. Sharp turn. Coming on up. Nice, Jesse. Nice work. You just have to commit. I think people fall in mountain biking is when they hesitate to commit or don't commit at all. Like my wife. Especially if you let Martin lead at anything, we're going to be his pace, which is faster than my pace. Alright, off camera, we're literally at like 8 spiders now. There's a lot. There's so much of them that I kind of want to take some home as pets. I'm going to Google like what they, how to take care of tarantulas. Because I saw literally 8 of them already. So we're going to go down rattlesnake. We always miss it. Alright, Jesse, there's going to be twisty turns. Take your time on this one.
Okay.
So, technical. Jesse's first time here. I think Martin's 3rd time. And me, probably 6th time. Yeah, so he takes the shortcuts, but we don't do that. What happened? No, I mean if you want to. It's too expert. But it's up to you guys. A lot of intertwining shortcuts. Alright, hill coming up. Send it. Whew. Send it, Jesse. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Nice and easy. Nice. Oh, you're throttling. Hey, good recovery, Jesse. Get your heart going. Watch the cactus. He bailed, but he bailed pretty good. He didn't get hurt or damage the bike. That was a good bail for Jesse. Oh, oof, duck. Here we go. Oh yeah. So we're connecting to rattlesnake now. Whew. Get some jumps there. I mean, we're connecting to the freeway right about now. Freeway time. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Haha, jump that, Jesse. Woo. I can see him trying. He's just trying to time it now. Yes, sir. Oh, I love this bike. So fast. So jumpy. Send it. Nice, Jesse. Whew. Send it. Oh, yeah. Off your seat, Jesse. Good try. Whew. How was that for you?
Like holding on to your life.
You did good.
Yeah, I collected all the wet for you guys.
That's good. The one thing I could advise is try to be off your seat the whole time, because that's getting you in the jumping position. And if you want me to lower your seat height, it actually helps to jump. Second time here. Put my sweater on. I go for jumps. All right, watch the jumps, Jesse. I'm just happy I could jump now again, you know? Like, my wrist is still not 100%, but I'm just happy I could jump. Send it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my gosh. Trying to get back in my old form. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh, that was nice. Like, starting to feel like my old self a little bit. I was scared for a few weeks. Yeah, Jesse, you got that one.
You got air, huh?
Yeah, you could hear it. How'd that feel?
Just trying my best. I think we were slowing him down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, and to me, I like technique versus speed. I always say it. Like, once you get the technique down, then you could increase your speed a little by little if you want.
Getting easier, right? Yeah, the speed is good.
Yeah. Round 3, here we go. Oh yeah, so smooth. Whew. Is there... Oh yeah, that's the best jump. Whew. Sick.
That's pretty quick.
Oh, I'm trying to be more like you, man. Meaning not breaking so much.
When I need you to be like me, you're not like me.
Well, are you still hurt from ball?
No, the chair.
What happened? You're what?
The chair is limiting me.
Oh.
Every jump I try to do, it kicks me.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Yeah. Hey, pretty good jump.
There you go.
Really good one.
It feels nice, right? Or I mean, like, there's a moment in time, and at least my feeling is like it freezes for a while, and then you're like, oh shit. That kind of feeling.
After that log on the side, that first jump is really nice.
Yeah. So I ran out of battery. Martin is towing me. Like a gentleman. Make right. Take me to the tower, sir. Just kidding. I guess 4 times. I wasn't looking at my voltage, but this Luna Wolf battery was at 44 volts. And it just died. First time my battery died on me. It's first for everything. Thankfully, we're like 90% done. We just have to go downhill now. This is exactly why you bring buddies on a mountain bike adventure. Thank God for Martin. Made it on the road. Now I'm just heading back. All should be downhill from here. That's going to be in today's adventure. First time my battery died, and first time Jesse, my brother-in-law, got some airtime in the jumps, so that's a win for us. That's going to be in today's vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on a Super73, an arielrider, or a DIY bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. I'm just waiting for Martin. I actually don't see Martin. Let me slow down and wait for him a little bit. Did you stop? Yeah. Alright. Everything alright, right? Yeah. Okay. Alright, he's good. We out of here. Peace.